Hello everyone, welcome to Bodhanapamina's channel. To better understand the language, we should know the vocabulary and it helps in scoring well in reading comprehension session in competitive exams. So in this video, we are going to discuss a few vocabulary from Hindu editorial. Friends, kindly boost us for making further videos by subscribing my channel, like, share and press the bell icon for further notifications from my channel. So here we took an editorial with the title Crime as Punishment on the killing of Vikas Dubey. Let us get into the details. The state must get tough on crime, but the police should not be allowed to break the law. The Uttar Pradesh police account of the killing of Kanpur gangster Vikas Dubey on Friday, even if taken at face value, it is a startling admission of serious ineptitude. So here, in order to understand this passage, we need to understand the vocabulary here, that is get tough on, face value, startling, ineptitude. And this editorial is regarding the killing of a gangster who belongs to Kanpur by the Uttar Pradesh police. So let us see the first sentence. The state must get tough on. What is the meaning of get tough on? Means to deal seriously or harshly with. So here this sentence states that the state should take seriously the crime but without breaking the law. Then let us see the next paragraph. The Uttar Pradesh police account of the killing of Kanpur gangster Vikas Dubey on Friday, even if taken at face value. So here face value means to accept someone or something without considering what they really are. So here we are, even if we ignore that Kanpur gangster Vikas Dubey as a gangster, but he is a human being, right? So accepting him as it is, ignoring the background of him, is called as face value. So is a startling admission. What is the meaning of startling? Means surprising or shocking. So is a shocking admission of serious ineptitude. What is the meaning of ineptitude here? Lack of skill or ability or incompetence. So killing of this Kanpur gangster, irrespective of his taking him as a human being, so this act is a shocking incompetence of the police of Uttar Pradesh. So this is the overall brief of this paragraph. Let us see the continuation of this. But the official narrative, as it stands, stretches the bounds of credibility to an astonishing extent. The possibility that his death is officially sanctioned, retribution for the murder of 8 policemen who were part of the team that went to arrest him on July 3rd is hard to dismiss out of hand. So here we'll see the vocabulary credulity, astonishing, retribution, dismiss out of hand. So but the official narrative as it stands stretches the bounds of credulity. What is the meaning of credulity? Willingness to believe that something is real or true. So we have to believe that it is real. So to an astonishing means even it is the synonym of startling. So surprising. Extent, the possibility that his death is officially sanctioned, retribution for the murder of Retribution means act of punishing someone for their wrong or criminal act. So here his death is officially sanctioned. Retribution for the murder of 8 policemen who were part of the team that went to arrest him on July 3rd. Okay, actually, retribution means here actually he had killed 8 policemen who were part of the team. So they are punishing him for that killing of 8 policemen, because they are taking as a part of revenge. So here retribution means in order as the punishing someone for their crime. So the crime here he had done is he had murdered 8 policemen. So they are taking it as retribution for the murder of 8 policemen who were part of the team that went to arrest him on July 3rd is hard to dismiss out of hand. Dismiss out of hand means do something without hesitation, without the second thought, do whatever that comes to their mind. So let us move on to the next. Let us continue. Without a doubt, Dubey's death is an exchange of fire while he was trying to flee after the police vehicle in which he was being taken met with an accident is also extremely convenient for many. It puts a lid on the sordid tale of his violent rise to power and influence, which was nourished by a wider network of patrons, including some in the police force. So in order to better understand this, here we will see the vocabulary of exchange of fire, trying to flee, lid on the sordid tale, patrons. So without a doubt, Dubey's death is an exchange of fire. Exchange of fire means to shoot at each other. So here the shooting happened between the Dubey's gang and the police. While when this shooting happened, exchange of fire happened while he was trying to flee. Trying to flee means escape or run away. After the police vehicle in which he was being taken met with an accident is also extremely convenient for many. So this exchange of fire happened when the police vehicle met with an accident. Okay, so this is convenient for many to escape this Vikas Dubey from that vehicle or from this police custody. It puts a lid on the sordid tale. So sordid means arousing shameful actions or motives. So this is because of his shameful actions, or this is due to his increased violent rise and power and influence, which was nourished by a wider network of patrons. Wider network of patrons. Patrons means a person who gives support to a person or organization or cause. So here he was supported by a few people which brought him influence and power. So because of this support which he had, it might be he had the support even from the police. So because of this support, he had the power and influence. Let us see the next. A hardened criminal who had 62 cases against him before his gang allegedly shot dead 8 policemen last week was supposedly being transported without handcuffs. He snatched weapons from those escorting him according to the police version of the incident. So here, for better understanding this paragraph, we should know the vocabulary of allegedly and snatched. So the policemen were telling that this hardened criminal of that is Vikas Dubey, who is having 62 cases against him, so claimed to be killed 8 policemen last week. Allegedly means to claim someone without proof. Okay. or blame someone without proof. Nindayadam. Nindinchadam. So shot dead 8 policemen last week, was supposedly being transported without handcuffs. So when he was transporting from one place to another without handcuffs, so they had freed his hands. So he snatched. Snatched means to take hold of something suddenly or forcefully. So he took the weapons from those escorting him, those who are protecting him, the police. According to this, whose version is this? The police version. So they have narrated the incident that while they were transporting this Vikas Dubey from one place to the other place without cuffing his hands or without handcuffs. So this Vikas Dubey, he took the weapons from the escorts of the police who are traveling with him forcefully and killed them. So this is the police version of the incident. So let us see the continuation. Indeed, this is no more than a self-indictment of the state police, whose conduct has raised far too many questions in the recent past. So there is no good explanation for driving such a suspect through the night across more than 600 kilometers from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, where he was arrested on Thursday. The brutal last episode of Dubey's serious crimes should be no defense if the shooting turns out to be an extrajudicial killing. So in order to better understand this, we need to understand the vocabulary self-indictment and extrajudicial killing. So according to the police, they claimed that self-indictment means formal claim of criminal wrongdoings. So here the police are claiming the criminals means Vikas Dubey's crime. And this had many questions on the police. So the first one is, they didn't give a good explanation for a good reason for transporting the Vikas Dubey and making him to travel 600 kilometers from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, where he was arrested. And the brutal last episode of Dubey's serial crimes should be no defense. Defense means protection. So it doesn't give any protection if the shooting turns out to be an extrajudicial killing. Extrajudicial killing means out of law or breaking the law. So extrajudicial killing of a person by government authorities without any legal process. So friends, I hope you have understood the vocabulary well, and even I have narrated the passage too. So read the passage yourself and make your own notes. It helps you very much. I hope you liked this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos like this. Have a very good day.